Welcome to my channel, Honest Auto Wheels, where luxury meets raw power and the impossible becomes reality. Today's machine isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling statement, a mechanical beast, and honestly, a warning sign to everything you thought you knew about RVs. Because what you're looking at right now is the Fire 12x12 GMC 2026 Thunderbone, and calling it crazy might actually be an understatement. This is the kind of motorhome that makes supercars feel nervous, makes off-road trucks look small, and makes five-star hotels question their future. The big question is it worth it? The price, the performance, the features, trust me, they're going to surprise you. So let's dive in. Right from the first glance, the exterior design of the GMC 2026 Thunderbone looks like it escaped from a military lab, mixed with a luxury design studio. This 12x12 configuration isn't here for show, it's here to dominate. 12 massive driven wheels sit under aggressively sculpted fenders, giving this motorhome an unstoppable stance. The body is wide, tall, and unapologetically bold, finished in a stealth-inspired matte metallic paint that shifts tone under sunlight. Heavy-duty LED light bars wrap around the front, roof, and sides, giving it a futuristic glow at night while doubling as serious utility lighting for off-grid adventures. The front fascia is pure GMC muscle. Oversized grille, reinforced steel bumper, integrated winch system, and skid plates thick enough to take on rocks, sand, snow, or whatever madness you throw at it. High ground clearance, adaptive air suspension, and reinforced axles make this motorhome feel more like a moving fortress than a recreational vehicle. Every panel, every bolt, every detail screams purpose. This isn't built to park at campsites. This is built to conquer continents. Step inside, and the cockpit instantly changes the mood. This is where heavy machinery meets high luxury. The driver's area feels more like the control room of a jet than a motorhome. You're greeted by a fully digital curved dashboard, massive touchscreens, and physical controls that feel solid and premium in your hands. The steering wheel is wrapped in stitched leather with brushed metal accents, featuring drive mode selectors for highway cruising, off-road crawling, desert mode, snow mode, and full extreme terrain mode. The seats are heated, ventilated, massaging, and memory-equipped, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching. Visibility is insane. Panoramic windshield, camera bay side mirrors, 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, and terrain scanning sensors that actually read the ground ahead. You don't just drive the Thunderbone, you command it. The sound insulation is so good that despite the sheer size and power underneath, the cabin stays calm, quiet, and controlled. Move deeper into the rear interior, and this is where the Thunderbone completely flexes its luxury muscle. The living space opens up into a wide, open-concept lounge that feels like a high-end penthouse on wheels. Plush captain chairs, premium sofas, and modular seating arrangements are designed for comfort whether you're cruising or parked. The materials are top-tier: soft touch panels, real wood trims, ambient LED lighting, and climate zones that keep every corner perfect. At the center, a massive LCD TV dominates the entertainment wall, paired with a surround sound system that feels like a private cinema. Streaming, satellite, gaming consoles, it's all built in. The sofa converts into additional sleeping space, while hidden storage compartments keep everything clean and clutter-free. This motorhome doesn't waste a single inch. The bedroom area is seamlessly integrated, not boxed in like traditional RVs. A full-size luxury bed with memory foam mattress, adjustable lighting, USB and wireless charging ports, and premium finishes make it feel like a boutique hotel suite. Privacy panels, smart glass partitions, and blackout curtains allow you to switch from open space to total privacy instantly. The combination of bedroom, lounge, and entertainment area is executed so smoothly that it feels natural, not forced. Now let's talk about what truly makes the GMC 2026 Thunderbone legendary. What's under the hood? Powering this monster is a next-generation GMC heavy-duty turbo-diesel hybrid V8 system, engineered specifically for extreme loads and long-distance endurance. We're talking over 1,200 horsepower and torque figures that sound illegal in most countries. The 12x12 drivetrain sends power to all 12 wheels through an advanced intelligent torque vectoring system, allowing each wheel to adapt independently to terrain conditions. Acceleration in something this massive feels unreal. It doesn't struggle. It surges forward with confidence. Highway cruising is smooth and effortless, while off-road performance is borderline ridiculous. Rock crawling, deep sand, mud, snow, this thing doesn't ask for permission. Adaptive suspension constantly adjusts ride height, stiffness, and balance in real time, keeping the motorhome stable no matter what's underneath. Performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. Advanced braking systems, downhill assist, traction management, and reinforced chassis engineering ensure that despite its size, the Thunderbone remains composed and safe. This is engineering taken to the extreme. Now the part everyone's waiting for, the price. The GMC 2026 Thunderbone doesn't pretend to be affordable. Depending on customization, features, and luxury packages, pricing starts around $2.5 million and can easily climb beyond $3.5 million. And yes, that's shocking. But here's the twist. When you compare it to luxury yachts, private jets, or extreme expedition vehicles, suddenly it starts making sense. You're not just buying a motorhome. You're buying freedom, dominance, luxury, and the ability to live anywhere on Earth without compromise. The features list is endless. Solar power systems, onboard generators, water purification, smart home controls, satellite internet, climate control, and full off-grid capability for weeks at a time. So is it worth it? If you're someone who wants the craziest, most powerful, most luxurious motorhome ever built, and you refuse to accept limits, the GMC 2026 Thunderbone isn't just worth it. It's unmatched. This isn't a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. It's a statement. And honestly, it might just be the wildest motorhome the world has ever seen.